my previous video, I designed and built a hydrocarbon-resistant peristaltic pump for a small parts washer. I ended that video a little too early. Problem solved. After a few hours of operation, two problems appeared. The system I designed to lock the rotor onto the motor shaft groove turned out not to be such a good idea. In the new rotor, I embedded a nut between the two printed halves, and a bolt now locks the assembly to the shaft. To increase the rigidity of the assembly, I also added 4 additional bolts with opposing lock nuts. A much better solution than the previous one. Diesel fuel contaminated the pump body and the tube. The tube slowly started sliding through the pump, dragged by the rotor. Eventually it formed a band at the outlet that prevented the rotor from turning. So I made a small hose bob with a 5mm outer diameter. It locks the tube in place and prevents any movement. A standard commercial 5mm hose bob should work just as well. Before publishing these updates, I spent about a week working in the shop and finally finished cleaning all the parts of the South Bend lathe, which can now be reassembled. You'll find all the updated files in the links below.